But yeah, we got a whole lot of Kato in. So this is D51 back in again.
Yep. Beautiful.
Very popular
get that one out.
steam loco.
Yep.
Won't say steam engine because that's technically inaccurate too.
Really?
Yeah, because steam engine could be anything. But whereas your locomotive, it's it's got wheels.
Yeah.
Like your little donkey engines and that are counted as steam engines.
I'll get one of these ones out. So this is an old
Very
train.
nicely packed in.
Ooh.
Oh, you're relatively.
What year?
Ooh,
1950s.
Sometime about that.
You
Maybe
reckon?
even early. It might be even earlier than that.
Earlier, right? I was thinking like 1800s. I was just trying to make a joke.
Yeah. Well, Japan. Oh, it wouldn't be 1800s. I don't think.
Japan would have used these, right?
Japan used trains. They were one of the first ones to switch over from like your steam to electric and diesel, and I think.
Really?
Yeah.
There you go. The more you know, huh? Let's get these all sorted out. Gonna do this one here.
That one.
You got the last one.
Yep. Lucky
I'm not going to go overhead yet because it's not really much in the frame for us to look at. But what is that?
What is what?
What is that? What is that?
It might just be to keep the wheels in line while it's in the box.
Oh. Okay. Don't forget to remove those, friends.
Oh, you won't be able to run your trains very far without them.
Sugar, not at all.
No.
All right. Let's go to the overhead and we can have a look at these. How does that sound?
Oh, they don't sound like much at the moment. They're not doing anything, are they?
They don't even have sound in them, so they're just going to sound like...
If you're lucky. I don't even know if the overhead's picking that up.
I reckon that's what it sounds like. So what do we got?
To see you do a sound file for a train.
What's this guy? You talk me through it while I show them off on the camera.
Yeah, so these two are... This one here is electric. You can tell by
these things, which pop up. They pop up.
Yeah, you can position them up.
Oh!
Get my hands out the way.
Oh my goodness.
And pop them back down again. They're pretty easy to work with. They're nice.
Yeah.
Good little runners, as everything Kato is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're more modern kind of locomotives, at least more than the steam loco over here. But
yeah. Nice pin strapping detail on the model in a nice baby blue.
Oh yeah.
I think we had some of these with some anime art on it recently.
That's possible.
A little limited edition one. You don't get any drivers, so feel free to chuck some of those in there. Disassemble your whole model and chuck some little drivers in.
Just be careful removing the
be really careful.
Yeah.
But then also you've got this guy which has some an anime character on it with some text.
Yep.
What's this guy? Just another electric.
It's another electric. I can tell you the number and stuff on it. What is it? EH500?
Yep, number 2.
Number 2, is it? Oh, it is. That one's also number 1, so I think it's just
1 and 2.
Yeah, 1 and 2.
It's not a one and done. It's a one and 2.
No. Yeah. But yeah, it's articulated, so it'll make it around some tight curves and that.
Yeah.
And quite heavy too. I'm sure Kobey's feeling the weight in it.
I'm like about to drop it.
Yeah.
No, I'm not going to drop it. I'm definitely feeling the weight. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
It's very, very heavy. So
yeah.
That's pretty
they all
sick.
come with traction tires, so there's very little chance it's going to wheel slip or struggle to pull anything. But yeah.
Yeah, beautiful. Getting traction tires with that, which is nice.
Yeah.
And then here we go. We've got the old nice steam style locomotive here.
Yep. So this is a D51. Last time we got a D51 in, or a few D51s. They last 2 weeks, I think, right?
If that. I don't even remember. I probably didn't even see them.
You may not.
They probably just
straight in.
Came over into the train department. I was too busy worrying about my models, and they were gone, so I never even seen it. So this might be the first time I've ever even held one of these.
Maybe.
Got the coal box.
Oh yeah.
Look at that, the shimmer and shine of the coal box in the rear. What's this hump called?
It's one of the... I'm not sure if Japan has a name for it, but it's part of like the steam dome and the sand dome, I believe, as well, in there. So it helps, yes, steam dome was where you get the steam furthest away from the boiler, so you get the driest steam possible going to the cylinders, and then the sand is there to help with adhesion when you're coming up to wheel slip. Obviously, it's not full of any real sand in model form, but in real life it would be.
Yeah, right. Sure, you could chuck a couple of granules of sand in there, make it all
I'm not
historically
sure
accurate. For yourself, just paint it
brown
in there. You'll never see it again.
turn your train into a rainmaker.
That's right.
That's
right.
And you get a nice functional headlight on the front there too.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Hang on, let me try and get a bit of a nose shot detail on this one. Oh!
It's quite a small little headlight, but it works.
Oh! Look at that. I reckon that constitutes a photo that Will James would probably take.
I wouldn't be surprised. Needs to make his way over to Japan next.
Yeah, I reckon. Beautiful.
But yeah.
What else is happening in the world of trains?
Oh, a lot. So.
Wow, I'm terrible. Is that?
You're terrible. What did
cut?
you do?
Wow, that's super quick. I'm going to start using cut. I'm not here to mess about.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
But yeah, no, there's quite a fair bit going on at the moment. So we just got a whole lot of Kato in the other day.
Yep.
Oh, it was yesterday, I think, wasn't it? Or
yeah, it come in yesterday, but it's been finished scanning today.
Yeah.
So it only reached the shop floor this morning, and then you've been super.